the perfect choice DHT blocking shampoo. So what does it do? It blocks the harmful effects of the DHT hormone, reduces scalp inflammation, and increases collagen levels in the dermis layer. But why do we care? I'll tell you why. The DHT hormone is an androgen hormone derived from testosterone that triggers sexual development. DHT is present in both men and women, but high levels of DHT causes hair loss by shrinking the follicle. This is also referred to as androgenetic alopecia or male pattern baldness. What is scalp inflammation? Inflammation is a natural response of the immune system to protect the body from infection, injury, or disease. So what's scalp inflammation? Scalp inflammation is a natural response of the immune system to protect the scalp from infection, injury, or disease. So what does scalp inflammation look like? Redness, sore and painful scalp that's painful to the touch, flakes, and patches all over the scalp. What are the potential causes of scalp inflammation? Gunk blocking the pores of the scalp and suffocating the hair follicles, braids and weaves that are too tight, also known as traction alopecia, hair products that have a high pH balance or that's out of the desired pH range of the hair and scalp, which is 4.5 to 5.5. So what's collagen and why is it important? Well, collagen supplies the amino acids that are essential for keratin production. Keratin is the main protein of the hair. It also provides moisture to the scalp, strengthens the hair follicle, accelerates healing, and nourishes the hair bulb. Low collagen levels could mean low levels of keratin production, which also results in nails being brittle and thinning hair. So what does the DHT blocking shampoo do? 1. It contains DHT blocking ingredients. 2. It removes cationic agents from the hair and gunk from the pores of the scalp that's causing the scalp inflammation. And 3. It increases collagen levels in the dermis to increase keratin production, moisturize and heal the scalp, strengthen the hair follicles, and nourish the hair bulb. So there you have it. Those are all of the benefits of the Perfect Choice DHT blocking shampoo. To learn more about this shampoo or to learn how to get it, visit healthinhaironline.com.